Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. There are plenty of options you can enjoy with a long-distance moving company like us, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When you choose to work with us for your long-distance move, you get the help you truly need. We know how to make your relocation so much easier, and our team of movers will ensure your things stay protected no matter how far you need to move. Hiring a Kentucky moving company might not seem necessary for a local move. However, when you need to move, the distance doesn't change the amount of work. You still have to pack up, load a truck, unload everything, and unpack. That's a lot of work to take on by yourself. 3 Movers can simplify everything by doing the hard work for you. We streamline the entire local moving process for you, and it might take you all weekend to complete your move, but we can do it in a few hours. Local and long distance movers near me. In addition to local and long distance moving, our moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.